Hello guys, welcome to another video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade my favorite pair, which is gold versus US dollar. We will generate very good profit in this trade. This is a pair with high volatility, so we should apply trade with proper risk management. This is a high risk as well as high profitable pair. Guys, see you later. Guys, we are currently losing around $300. We will soon be in profit. We have deposited $5,000 in this account, which will grow with the help of price action. We have applied a buying trade here because the market has been in a strong uptrend for the last 10 days, hence a buying opportunity has been created here. Now let me explain to you from technical analysis for which reason we have applied buy trade. The market has created higher low points on this trend line, due to which the market has moved upwards taking proper support. We will connect this trend line with all the points. This trend line is the most important. We will take another trend line and place it on higher high points. This trend line is acting as resistance. Inside this trend channel we will see multiple support resistance points and higher high higher low points. The market should follow this trend channel. This is our trend channel, is absolutely correct. In future also, the market can create support resistance points inside this trend channel. Here I am doing 30-minute in time frame so that all our levels will appear more accurate. You do analysis on any time frame, you will see price action on all the time frame. Let's draw strong level now. At this level the market has created multiple support resistance points, due to which we will see the market reversing again and again at this level. Here you can see that the market has created multiple reverse points. The market will always react at such levels, which we can take good advantage of. From this we can predict the market where it will be in the future. Here the market has created an inverted head and shoulders pattern near the trend line and strong level, which creates before the market goes up. From this we can guess in which direction the market will move. High probability chance the market will go up from here, as the market has taken support from the trend line as well as strong level. This means that the market will start following the uptrend again. Our analysis is complete. All our levels are well drawn. Now we set stop loss and target point, which is necessary for our trade. Here the stop loss will be 60 pips below the strong support resistance level and outside the trend channel. If the market breaks below the strong level along with the trend line, then we can see sharp selling here. And the target point will be 120 pips above. The market has reached this level twice before, but the reversal happened from this level because the market has created this strong resistance level. Guys, our loss has increased from $300 to $600. We have to manage this trade well so that we can generate good profit. Guys, all our work has been completed. Our analysis is in the right direction. We have full confidence that the market will go up from here, because the market has given us many signals to go up, which I have explained in this video. Here we have applied the trade by looking at the strong level and trendline support as well as the candlestick pattern. Now let's see in future how the market reacts to this setup. See you guys sometime. Till then, enjoy the video.
I got dreams, wanna go fast. Know this energy's here to last. Not a glass half full, overflow that. Gotta keep your eyes up on the prize. Only got one life, so it's worth a try. To find what makes you feel alive, that's the only way to live it right. And now we're all doing our own thing, but I'll never forget our glory days. My mind is full of the memories, yeah.
Always greatest of all time Forex trading. Guys, our analysis was absolutely correct. We applied trades in the right direction and we got very good results. When our analysis is correct, then our confidence increases automatically. Here we waited for the market to go up and we got a good move. We will open time frame for 15-minute. Here the market is going up, making proper higher high higher low. Right now there is sharp buying going on in the market, due to which the market is going up a lot. This is happening because the market is breaking the strong resistance level. Let me explain to you by drawing the level. At this level the market had created multiple resistance points, due to which the market was repeatedly reversing below this level. The market has been following this level for a long time. In the future we will again see support resistance points at this level. Now the market has broken this level. Here the market has given a high volume breakout. This is a real breakout. Now the market will come down to retest this level, due to which resistance becomes support pattern will be created here. which is a strong pattern of uptrend. At this level, another buying opportunity can be created. Now we close the trade. Guys, we are currently making a profit of more than $13,000. This is the result of our patience. We had $5,000 in this account, which has grown to $18,000. It is very important to learn price action to generate good profits in the market. Unless you can understand price action patterns well, you will be further away from being profitable. If you learned something from this video, then like and subscribe the channel.
The next morning.